AI Holobox is a cool smart assistant that brings holograms to life without needing special glasses. It runs on ChatGPT, making conversations feel more natural and engaging. The Akaso Seymour night vision goggles are a game changer, priced at $229. These goggles are the first to blend smart technology with almost perfect color reproduction, 99% to be exact. They offer an impressive range, letting you spot people up to 500 meters away and see buildings a full kilometer in the distance. What makes them even better? You can record in full 4K video with 7 levels of infrared lighting to capture amazing details in the dark. Plus, with a 16 bytes digital zoom, you can get up close to every tiny detail, even in low light. The goggles let you save images to a memory card, up to 512 gigabytes, or share them with your smartphone via Wi-Fi, making it super easy to store and share your footage. Whether you're into nighttime adventures, outdoor exploration, or need top-quality surveillance gear, the Akaso Seymour goggles provide all you need for clear, high-quality vision. BrightLock is the ultimate solution to keep your bike safe from theft, especially in times when bikes are harder to find due to shortages. At just $85, this smart U-shaped lock not only secures your bike in parking lots, but also transforms into front and rear lights while you ride. It's perfect for any weather, even rain, ensuring your bike is always protected and visible. Whether you're locking up your bike or riding in low light, BrightLock has you covered. You won't need to carry extra lights or worry about your bike being stolen. It's all built into one easy-to-use device. Already popular on Kickstarter, many cyclists have backed this product because of its practical design and dual functionality. It's a great choice for anyone who wants to ride confidently, knowing their bike is safe and easy to spot. Camillus Highland Branch Saw, your go-to tool for tough jobs. Tired of struggling with hard-to-reach branches? The Camillus Highland Branch Saw makes cutting tall limbs easy and efficient. With a 51-centimeter bi-directional blade, this saw cuts on both the push and pull, getting the job done faster. It also includes 2 6-meter paracord sections and weighted handles, so you can throw it over high branches and saw them down with ease. This tool is perfect for storm cleanup, clearing land before hunting season, and trimming tall trees. Hikers and campers will also love how compact and portable it is. Plus, it comes with a handy carrying case, making it easy to pack and store. Made by Camillus, a trusted brand known for quality and versatility, this high-limb saw is built to last. Whether you're a homeowner, outdoorsman, or just love a good tool, this is a must-have for your gear collection. Gamo, a Spanish company, offers 2 impressive rifles, the TC-35 and TC-45, designed for both recreational shooting and hunting. Here's a cool fact. These rifles are actually made in South Korea. Gamo has partnered with the South Korean company Evex to sell them under the Gamo brand. The TC-35 and TC-45 rifles are available in 9mm and 11.43mm calibers, giving you plenty of power for a range of activities, from shooting for fun to hunting wild boar. They're built to handle various shooting experiences, whether you're a beginner or more experienced. Both Gamo rifles weigh 4 kilograms and are priced at $1,150, offering good value for the performance they deliver. If you're interested in the South Korean version, it's slightly pricier at $1,200. While there's a small price difference, all versions offer strong reliability and power. Gears Vibe is a unique, glowing, high-tech puzzle that combines fun and creativity. Made up of 627 metal and glass pieces, it assembles into a spider-like figure that lights up with a stunning plasma lamp. The joints of the spider can move, adding an interactive and futuristic touch. Assembling this puzzle takes about 6 hours, making it a great project for those who enjoy challenges. The project has been quite successful, raising over $61,000 on Kickstarter, showing how much tech enthusiasts love it. At a price of $79, it's not just a puzzle, but a striking display piece. This makes it a perfect addition for anyone interested in gadgets or interactive design. Whether you're into puzzles or simply want something unique to add a futuristic flair to your space, Gears Vibe is a fantastic choice. It's a fun and creative way to spend your time while building something that stands out and looks amazing. Gerber's ExoMod system is a game changer for anyone into hunting, outdoor activities, or tourism. It's designed to be versatile, allowing you to build a custom set of tools by connecting multiple units. The ExoMod sheath works on its own, but you can easily attach knives, saws, and other tools to create the perfect gear setup for your needs. The best part? It's super easy to use. The skeleton-shaped handle makes it simple to find compatible tools and put them together. Whether you're looking for a reliable knife or a sturdy saw, the ExoMod lets you pick exactly what you need. Built with durable yet affordable Chinese steel, the ExoMod system keeps prices low without sacrificing quality. For example, you can get a knife with the sheath for just $36, making it an affordable option for outdoor enthusiasts who want high-quality gear without spending too much. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or just starting, the ExoMod is a great way to get the right tools for the job. This homemade Gauss rifle might remind you of the cool futuristic weapons from sci-fi movies like Starship Troopers. It works using an electromagnetic field to accelerate a projectile at high speed. The interesting part? The creator is a pacifist who made the rifle not for combat, but to showcase his skills and inspire people to get curious about science and technology. People really appreciate the detailed explanation the creator provides, showing how the device works and the science behind it. Some even joked in the comments asking him to create a sniper rifle next. What makes this project so fascinating is how it combines technology with creativity, turning an idea into a fun and educational DIY project. If you're into learning how things work or enjoy building gadgets, this coil gun is a perfect example of how technology can be both interesting and practical. It sparks curiosity about electromagnetism and how such devices are created from the ground up. If the Lancehead crossbow seems too expensive for your budget, you might want to try something more affordable, like a slingshot rifle. These slingshots are not only fun, but also powerful enough for hunting. Made in China, these models come with telescopic sights to help you aim accurately. Priced around $198, these slingshot rifles offer great value. You can adjust the tension for different types of shooting, whether you're just having fun or aiming for a hunt. The metal housing and plastic grip make it sturdy and easy to handle. With a shooting speed of 137 meters per second, it's surprisingly fast for a slingshot. Some kits even come with extra rubber bands and a tool for easy maintenance. This slingshot rifle is a great choice if you're looking for a more budget-friendly way to enjoy shooting. Whether you're a beginner or just want a different kind of hunting experience, this option gives you power and accuracy without breaking the bank. Hiking is a fun activity that anyone can enjoy, even if you're not an experienced hiker. It's a great way to explore the outdoors, with many trails for all ages and skill levels. As hiking becomes more popular, companies are making products to make it even better. One of those products is the K10 hiking crampons, designed to improve your hiking experience. These crampons are easy to use with a simple 2-buckle attachment system. They also have leaf spring flex technology, which adds comfort for long hikes. The crampons come with 10 sharp 2-centimeter steel spikes that help you stay steady on icy or snowy trails. Plus, they're self-cleaning, which makes them easy to maintain in wet and muddy conditions. Concevi Pro is not just a telescope, it's a powerful camera that lets you capture and share stunning 4K videos with ease. Whether you're stargazing, exploring nature, or filming creative shots, this gadget gives you more than just a zoomed-in view. With built-in Wi-Fi and wired connection options, you can instantly transfer videos and photos. It even connects to your smartphone, so you can edit footage on the go. The best part? It works as a photo and video camera with special modes like time-lapse and panorama, making it perfect for capturing epic moments. Zooming in is no problem either. Concevi Pro features 10x optical zoom and an extra 2.3x digital zoom, so you can get closer to the action while keeping everything sharp and clear. Whether it's the moon, wildlife, or a breathtaking landscape, this device brings it all to life. It's sleek, portable, and super easy to use, perfect for travelers, photographers, and anyone who loves recording their adventures. The Lancehead crossbow has been stirring up debates online, especially in forums and YouTube comments. The big question everyone's asking, is it really a crossbow? Instead of using traditional limbs, the designers opted for micro limbs, creating something called a torsion crossbow. But not everyone is sold on this name. Let's take a look at its features. The Lancehead weighs 4.5 kilograms, and it shoots arrows at an impressive 112 meters per second. Despite its power, it's surprisingly compact, measuring just 10 centimeters in width. One of the slogans that stands out is, "Don't improve your gear, improve your hunt," suggesting that this crossbow isn't just about the equipment, it's about enhancing your entire hunting experience. Although its unique design has raised some questions, the Lancehead crossbow offers solid performance for anyone looking to upgrade their gear. Whether you're into hunting or target shooting, this crossbow could be a game changer for your next adventure. Laserlight's Mighty Mouse offers a simple but effective solution for enhancing the accuracy of your weapon. This laser sight is perfect for miniguns and is incredibly easy to install. Just swap out the side plate and your weapon is ready to go. Once installed, it fits right into a standard holster, making it highly convenient. The sight runs on three 392 type batteries, giving you about an hour of use. What's cool is that it automatically turns on when you grab your gun and switches off when you set it down, saving you the hassle of manually switching it. Weighing only 0.75 ounces, it's super lightweight and won't add unnecessary bulk to your weapon. At a price of about $130, it's not too expensive, especially considering it costs less than half of the price of the gun itself. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced shooter, this handy upgrade makes aiming and shooting easier, offering improved accuracy without extra effort. M48 Liberator Knife, a classic weapon reborn. Originally designed for close combat in World War I, trench knives were built for fighting in tight spaces. The M48 Liberator keeps that legacy alive with a modern, durable design, making it a must-have for knife enthusiasts, collectors, and those who value self-defense. This powerful knife features a razor-sharp 19-centimeter stainless steel blade made from 2CR13 steel, known for its strength and durability. The satin finish gives it a sleek professional look, while the fiberglass reinforced nylon handle ensures a secure, non-slip grip, even in rough conditions. Beyond its functionality, the M48 Liberator has an unmistakable presence. Its bold design alone is enough to make anyone think twice before approaching. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply want a reliable tool, this knife is built to handle tough situations. It also comes with a protective case for safe storage and carrying. Lightcans is a flashlight created by an inventor who loves camping and wanted to solve the problem of protecting his campfire kit from rain. The idea was so unique that it led to a Kickstarter campaign. This flashlight isn't just any regular light. It's packed with useful, interchangeable modules like a mini saw, compass, paracord, or fishing line, screwdriver bits, a lighter, and more. One of the coolest features is that it's open source, meaning programming enthusiasts can customize it. You can adjust button functions, light levels, and flashing modes to suit your needs. The flashlight also comes with a waterproof case, a powerful Cree XML diode for bright light, and a multi-tool clip to make it even more practical. Although the original campaign didn't succeed, the concept is still exciting, and there's a chance it could be relaunched. Priced at around $90, Lightcans is perfect for outdoor lovers who want a versatile tool that combines a flashlight with other essential camping gear. The Lockhart Tactical 12GA Status is a powerful alarm system designed to keep your campsite safe. It's made to be flexible, so you can adjust it to protect against different types of threats, like wild animals. You can load it with flares or special ammo that helps repel dangerous animals such as bears and wild boars. The status can be activated either automatically or manually, giving you control over when you want it to go off. This makes it perfect for both active protection and peace of mind. What's great is that the entire kit is compact and pocket-sized, making it easy to carry and set up without taking up too much space in your gear.